A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. Maswera say. So, the High Court has thrown out an application by CCC MPs and senators who were seeking the nullification of their recalls, and they wanted to be reinstated to Parliament following the recalls by Sengezo Tshabangu, who says he's the party interim secretary general. So it said, Team Zimbabwe, that this is the outcome of the court case. We talked about this yesterday and said one way or the other, these by-elections were going to proceed, no matter how much we want them to be stopped. I said it yesterday that they were going to be to proceed because they were illegal from the onset. They are illegal and they continue to be illegal. So you will see that it will be just an issue of registering to say, okay, well, we contested these matters A, B, C, D within the courts, but they yielded no result. It will be an issue of reference, not an issue of having justice being served. Because the agenda of ZANU-PF is to have two-thirds majority so that they can tamper with the constitution at will. This is no longer a legal issue. It's a political issue. And political issues do not need legal responses. They need political responses. So it is said, Team Zimbabwe, that is the situation we are in. And at a certain point in time, I questioned the reason why we are eager, or we were eager to go to court to challenge the recalls when we didn't go to court to challenge the election outcome. So if you take a look on the person who was presiding over this case, the selection of these judges itself should tell you the outcome of the case even before it has been set down. So, or even before the judgment has been given. So, in my view, Team Zimbabwe, the legal route will never give us any result. If there is anything the opposition wants to work out, they will have to go through the political route, not the legal route. So the only hope is now within SADC. SADC is meeting today, and the only hope will be the outcome of the SADC summit. What is the SADC summit going to say? Because remember, Zimbabwe is on agenda, and it's very important for us to know how SADC is going to resolve the impasse in the Zimbabwean elections. So for me, anything which goes to the judiciary in Zimbabwe, I doubt that it will bring anything meaningful or anything new, or I doubt that you will see a change coming, because how these people became judges and magistrates should concern you more than anything else. So that is what is very important. Who appointed them? Were they appointed on merit, or were they appointed on friendship and buddyism? Those are very important factors and facts which must be considered by every reasonable thinking Zimbabwean. So those are zero on Zimbabwe. The application has been dismissed, and the judge cited that it was CCC which was supposed to come to court to actually clarify that they never sacked their MPs. But the question is, the judge, if this judge was to bring justice, he would have gone beyond and asked simple things from Tshabangu. Number one, he was supposed to ask Tshabangu, well, let's assume that these MPs are not or are no longer members of CCC. Can you please furnish us with their resignation letters or with their dismissal letters? That is how the judge would have reached the judgment. The whole verdict was supposed to be reached basing on those two demands. Number one, the letter of dismissals. Number two, their resignation letters. Without them, the judge was simply supposed to say these are still members of CCC. Tshabangu acted unlawfully. It is not a matter of Tshabangu acting legally or illegally. It's a matter of the CCC MPs ceasing to be the MPs of CCC. The matter does not have all other issues. It's simple to deal with this matter. This matter is about whether they are members of CCC or not. So personally, I do not know what actually transpired and how the judge came out with this judgment. But personally, I expected to see this happening, and I knew that no matter the circumstances, they were going to rule against the CCC MPs and ndobva zvabva zvaitika. So I don't know, guys. Let us talk in the comment section what you think and how you view everything about this.